time continued, time travel specifically. The problem is, you don't know what time is. You're always talking this linear stuff and this other crap. You're overshooting the situation. Time is a fraction of a millisecond long. Then it repeats itself. You keep trying to go to the year 3000, to the future, to the year 1 million BC, when you should be happy if you can move to the next second or back 1 second. All right? The real scientists know this is true, the ones actually working on it, but never has the public ever seen this concept, and so it isn't good enough, because I'm not sure that every scientist knows is operating this, because he's operating on a whole nother agenda. You know, they're all off track. Look, it's real simple. Idiot. You are already doing it. You are moving through time, millisecond by millisecond, into the future. You are traveling to the future. Every second, you are time traveling. You get it? You understand it? You know that it is not a fantasy concept of time travel, right? Now you see that a child can understand time travel, okay? It's not something you have to go to the highest school of learning and so-called, right? We've already spoke on rocket scientists. If all the moonshots are fake and there's no space program, how smart is a rocket scientist? And those algorithms up there that you see are gibberish, because there's no space, there's no moonshot, there's no nothing. So this thing about smart as a rocket scientist, it bites the dust along with the rest of the crap. Yeah, that part. Back to the subject at hand, time. So first of all, I gotta ask this question. Why are you trying to do something that you're already doing? That's where you're messing up at. You're attempting to do something that you're already doing, and you can't understand why you can't do it. That means you don't know what you're doing. You know that sentence? You don't know what you're doing? You're trying to do something that you're already doing means you don't know what you are doing. So, now you put that together. You have to take the puzzle pieces, which means you have to listen to every one of these notes. It's worse than a scavenger hunt, because now you have to find a place where I told you how to predict the future, which means I can't tell you that again right now, because I'm using it as a carrot to make you go through the other notes. What's interesting about the notes is you're going looking for a specific thing that you heard before or that you know of, but what you find along the way, you would not give back for anything. And on that note, I'm going to leave the final part of this time puzzle to another note, which means you have to dig even further to finish the time travel scenario. This has been a message from You Know Who, doing you know what, and we need you to do what? S-Y, save yourself.